What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Finally done with Computex season and man, I'm glad to be over here doing my regular unboxings. Today I have a very interesting product to show you all. So thing is, lot of people keep looking to buy like affordable category tablets with good hardware and specs, right? Like large 11 inches display, quad speakers and also features like 4G LTE SIM card support and not to miss out stylus pen as well. You people came to the right video. This is a brand new tablet from Lenovo. It's called as a Tab M11 and has like very interesting specs and hardware at a reasonable price point, costs under 20,000 rupees. Starting price of this model is only around like 17,999. We'll talk about the pricing, variants and all of that in this video. Anyways, there you go. Here's how the brand new Lenovo Tab M11 looks like. Oh wow, it actually looks pretty decent, right? Keeping that aside, you also have some accessories which include a SIM card tool, a 10-watt power adapter is included in the package, a Type-C cable is also there, and last but not the least, this is the stylus pen which I was talking about, guys. Great for artists and drawing sort of purpose. We'll come back and talk about the stylus pen at a later part in the video. Now let me quickly give you like a closer look and first-hand experience at Lenovo's all new Tab M11. As I've told you guys, Tab M11 features like a really large 11 inches full HD plus 1080p resolution 16:10 IPS LCD display. Main highlight is 90 Hz refresh rate, and let me tell you, for this price point, right, bezels are actually looking quite slim, I would say, on all the four sides. I'll anyhow show you once I power it on. So going to the top side here, you can check out that the tab also comes with a front camera. This is an 8 megapixel f2 camera, and yes, rear camera is also there. First of all, let me tell you about the design and build quality. Tab has a very slim profile, guys. I mean, look at this. Here's how the tab looks from the side profile, and it is only around 7.2 mm thickness, guys. Super slim, I would say. Flat body design, and entire body is made of aluminum, guys. Aluminum frame, aluminum backside, and definitely feels quite premium, especially for the price that you're paying. On the side here, you're having your volume rockers, antenna bands are there. I believe this is your microphone, and this one is your SIM card slot. The tab supports 4G LTE nano SIM cards, no 5G support, only 4G LTE. You're also getting 3.5mm audio jack, and on the bottom side, these are your two set of speakers, and not to forget, you're also getting two more speakers at the top side, totally quad speakers with Dolby ATMOS support. USB Type-C interface for data transfer and charging, but max it supports only up to like 15 watts of charging, guys, so no fast charging, I would say. Anyways, if you ask about the battery capacity, Tab M11 features a 7040 mAh battery on board. And here's how the back profile of the tab looks like. Hey, it actually looks pretty nice, right? The green color is very subtle over here. They're calling it as seafoam green. Anyways, you just have the Lenovo logo here, says Dolby ATMOS on the bottom side. Some details about the tab, and at the top side you have your rear camera setup. So only single camera, 13 megapixel rear camera, and that too with a f2.2 autofocus lens. So that's it. Our complete overview on the design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright boys, I'm back to continue the video, and this is how the Tab M11 looks like, the home screen, the software experience. I'm gonna give you a closer look and talk about all of that in a moment. First of all, I have to tell you, display actually looks pretty impressive for the price that you're paying. I've told you, right, you're getting a 16:10 aspect ratio, 11 inches IPS LCD display, and main highlight is 90 Hz refresh rate at this price point. If you talk about the software experience, Tab M11 actually features like Android 13 operating system, that too with a clean and stock operating system UI, guys. No bloatware, nothing. Even if you look at the app section, right, in the app drawer, there's nothing. No unnecessary apps, no ads, nothing. So I really appreciate that, Lenovo. Only extra app you might find is Opera browser, and apart from that, Google Chrome to anyhow is there. So choice is up to you. Even if you want to uninstall it, you can do that. So let me quickly head over to the settings and show you. Yes, the tab also supports dual band Wi-Fi, both 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, both support is there. Lastly, coming to the storage section. So as I've told you guys, this tab is available in like different configurations. You get like 8 plus 128 GB configuration, which is exactly the one we have in the house today. So 8 GB RAM, 128 GB. Out of that, I believe 105 or 106 GB is usable space available free out of the box. So plenty for a tab, I would say. So before we get in and talk about the software features, stylus experience, basically what you can do with this tablet, right? First of all, let me just open some OTT apps or maybe like YouTube platform, play some videos for you people, and talk about the display and the audio quality, because that is the main highlight of this product. Just have a look at these demo clips. Alright, you people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now I'll have to be honest guys, initially I was not expecting this because this is like a mid-range entry-level category tablet, right? So for this price point I was a bit skeptical how the display quality is gonna be, but nothing like that. Lenovo has done a really good job, no compromise over here. Again, as I've told you, you're getting 11 inches, 1920 by 1200, basically like full HD plus resolution IPS LCD display, and that too with a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz, which is like pretty decent for this price point. Good quality display, there is great amount of detail, and no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be like YouTube videos 1080p resolution or even like OTT platform content like movies or web series, right, you will definitely have a good time with this tab. It is producing like really lovely colors, rich and natural looking colors is what I can say. Contrast levels, black levels, everything were fine. Even the viewing angles were excellent, again all thanks to that IPS panel. And lastly, coming to the brightness of the display is also like quite satisfactory. It was going up to like 380 400 nits, which is like more than enough for your day-to-day sort of needs on a tablet. On the overall, now you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the display. And now coming to the audio section, as I've told you guys, you're getting like quad speakers, 2 on the left and 2 on the right, and definitely produce like really good quality sound, vocal clarity, dialogues, everything will like crisp and clear, easily understandable. And I had a blast watching movies or any sort of content on YouTube guys. And not to miss out, you're also getting Dolby ATMOS support as well on this thing for this price point. Alright, moving on, let's get to the main part. How is the overall performance of this tab, like especially considering the price point? First of all, let me tell you the specs and configuration. Lenovo's Tab M11 is powered by MediaTek's Helio G88, which is basically like an octa-core chipset based on a 12 nanometer process, and pair that with 8 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM, and not to miss out 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 storage. And yes, the storage is also expandable using a micro SD card up to 1 TB, so that is definitely a plus point. And let me tell you, on a day-to-day sort of usage, overall tab performance was pretty decent, I would say. I didn't face much of lags if you're using like single or double applications, but I'll have to be honest and let you know that if you're using multiple number of apps open in the background, right, definitely you can notice a little bit of lag. Considering the price tag and also competition in the market, right, I felt Lenovo could have offered a better chipset over here guys on this model. Maybe, you know, Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 or at least the MediaTek Helio G99, that would have been like really good at this price point. I mean, G88 is fine, gets your day-to-day job done, but if you want to do like intense gaming, right, this might not be the tab for you. Especially if you want to do like BGMI at medium or high graphics set, you cannot do that over here. This is not a gaming tablet. But apart from that, for regular home purpose or entertainment purpose or education purpose or basically like business meetings or maybe attending conferences or something like that, this will easily get your job done. Okay, one feature I really liked on this tablet is Lenovo is giving like full multitasking capabilities guys. Say for example, if you want to use like 2 applications or 3 applications at the same time, you can definitely do that. Simply open an app and click on these 3 dots at the top side, and that's it. It'll give you an option to go split screen mode, and now you can actually open a second application on the split screen window just like this. You can maybe use it for watching YouTube at the same time and also open Chrome browser guys. And let me tell you, if these are the only 2 applications you're running at the same time, right, I didn't face any sort of lag and was definitely working guys. Overall had a good experience. And not just split screen mode, you can even go like floating window as well. Say for example, you want to open a Chrome browser in floating mode while watching YouTube video behind that. Yes, you can do that. So really appreciate these sort of tablet multitasking features. Okay, I know you people have been waiting for this part. How is the Stylus pen performance? So first of all, let me tell you, the entry level variant of this tab, which costs around 17,000, doesn't feature the stylus in the package. You'll have to buy it separately. If you go for the Stylus package one, right, then only you'll get the pen included in the box. And let me tell you, this Stylus pen is actually doing a great job guys. So I've been using it for like writing notes in an artistic way, or maybe for like drawings, creating like really nice artistic panels, and it was doing a good job. Tab was easily recognizing the stylus inputs, and best part is the latency, the lag was like quite a minimum, especially considering the price point. I was totally not expecting that. And you know, you'll definitely have a fun, especially if you're like an artist, maybe looking for a tab, maybe for your drawing, or maybe, you know, some sort of creative sort of applications, right? You can definitely go for this model. It is great for this price point. We're almost coming to an end, so let me talk about the battery life as well. Tab M11 features a 7040 mAh battery, and battery life was pretty decent during the past few days. So on an average, right, if you're using this tablet moderately, especially for like like video watching purpose, you will easily get around like 8 to 9 hours of battery life with the video brightness set to around 70% and audio maybe set to around like 50 to 60%. That kind of battery life you can get over here. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got complete information on Lenovo's all new Tab M11. It's a really good tablet, good build quality I would say, and also definitely looks quite premium for the price that you're paying. Main highlight is that display quality and quad speakers with Dolby ATMOS for this price point, guys. Great for entertainment purpose. And not to miss out, Stylus pen support is also there. And last but not the least, you're also getting 4G LTE SIM card support plus micro SD card expansion is also there. Only thing if I had to nitpick is the Tab doesn't have any magnetic pen holder, guys. So that was a bit annoying. If you keep using the pen, right, you'll have to buy a separate case with a pen holder. Otherwise, you might actually lose it somewhere. And one more point if I had to say is the brand could have offered a slightly better CPU and chipset, especially for this price point. As I've told you, the pricing of this Tab for the Wi-Fi only edition costs around 17,999, and our variant which features 4G LTE support and not to miss out Stylus pen included as well costs around 21,999 rupees. I'll leave links to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So if you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the information you're looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.